Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. The Chinese Shar is a short-coated, medium-sized breed of dog, renowned for its excessively wrinkled skin. The breed resembles many dog breeds from the Mastiff family. However, it is most closely related to Spitz breeds, with the Chow Chow being its closest relative. This is most clearly seen with the two breeds both possessing unique blue-black tongues. To 5'6", this dog falls within the same genetic group as the Chow Chow, the Akita, the Shiba Inu, the Malamute, and the Greenland dog. Please like, share, and subscribe. Adult sharp eyes typically stand between 44 and 51 centimeters and weigh between 16 and 20 kilograms at 35 and 44 pounds. They have a short, very harsh coat that can be any solid color except white, although black, red, fawn, and cream are the most common. Please do watch our other Pinoy puppy series. The Chinese breed standard states they have clamshell ears, butterfly nose, melon-shaped head, grandmotherly face, water buffalo neck, horse's buttocks, and dragon's legs. The breed's head is relatively large compared to its body, with a broad muzzle that usually darker than the rest of the coat and well padded, causing a bulge at its base. The ears are set wide apart and are small and triangular, and the eyes are set very deeply into the folds of skin on the head. The breed has straight, well-boned, muscular legs below sloping shoulders and a medium-length broad tail that is curled over their back in a manner typical of Spitz-type dogs. Thank you for watching.